Oh, Kevin, my boy, are you not leaving home?
My taxi is late.
Oh, okay. So, can we have a talk? Come over here. So, what are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for my taxi.
Taxi?
No.
Oh, I see. Yeah, she's late today, isn't she?
She's late.
Okay. All right, Kevin, I'd like to ask you some questions. So, what do you do after school, after this class?
I practice English. And I sometimes write stories.
Okay.
And after practicing my English, I go pray. And then I practice my English more. Then I go to bed.
Well, I love to hear that you practice English, but who do you practice English with?
With my sister Lily.
Okay. Does she speak English well?
Yes, she does.
Good. So, you don't have any tuition after school?
I have no tuition after school.
Oh. I thought that you had a tuition last time.
Yeah, but I left it
Why did you leave it?
because your class is at 3:30.
Yeah, my class is at 3:30. So, you have the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's why you left it. I love to hear that. Okay. So, do you think my class is more important than the tuition?
Yes.
Why do you think like that?
Because I want to be an English student.
You are an English student.
But tuition only teach like school stuff.
School subjects.
Yeah.
So you prefer English speaking lessons. Oh, great. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's interesting. Do you do anything special at home or at school?
At school, I write some stories.
You write some stories.
Yeah.
Impressive. What stories do you write? What kind of stories?
Like cosmic.
Sorry?
Stories. Oh, I write cosmics.
Comics.
Yeah, comics.
Comics. You mean love comics or what kind of comics? I mean drama,
Fighting.
fighting. Oh, okay. Right. Do you write it alone
No, I write it with my two other friends.
with your two other friends? Wow, great. Do you have any audience or fans about that? Do you have any audiences or fans? Fans. Do you have any audiences or fans?
No, I only sell it to like,
Oh, you sell it?
Yeah.
You sell stories? Wow, that's a good business. So, how much do you sell the stories for?
3,000.
3,000 yens for each stories. Wow, that's a good business.
Sometimes I write small stories like for 300 yen.
Ah, interesting. Okay, so how many stories has been sold until now?
Four stories.
4 stories have been sold.
But the small stories, cannot say.
4 stories. Well, so do you share the money with your friends?
Yes, 1,000 each.
Oh, that's great. Well, I like to read your story. Will I have chance to read your stories?
I think I can break one of them.
Yeah, I hope so.
Me too.
Yeah, great. Wow, my boy, you write stories. So, what's your favorite subject at school?
Definitely maths.
Definitely
Maths.
maths. Why not English?
I like English too, but because maths and English are both easy.
Maths and English are both easy for you. Okay, but you prefer maths. Do you like calculation?
Yes, I do.
So, what is the most difficult subject at school for you?
Definitely science.
Science is the most difficult subject. Really? Are you not interested in science?
I am, but it's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, your taxi's here. Okay, bye. See you next time.
Bye.
I just had a chat with my young student. His name's Kevin. He loves speaking